In recent years, more and more people like to go outdoors for fishing, picnicking, and hiking to get close to and feel nature. With the increase of outdoor sports enthusiasts, the demand for outdoor products has greatly improved, among which the outdoor first aid kit has always been a very popular product. Comprehensive kits are perfect for taking care of any medical or emergency needs during outdoor wilderness adventures. Now let me tell you what kind of outdoor first aid kit is the customer's first choice. Portable. We all know that we need to carry the survival first aid kit with us during outdoor sports. Its weight or volume is too large, which is not conducive to our travel, so a mini portable outdoor first aid kit is very necessary. The portable outdoor first aid kit can ensure that we can focus more on the scenery when traveling outdoors. Comprehensive. At the same time portability, we should not forget that the first aid kit needs to ensure perfect for taking care of any medical or emergency needs during outdoor wilderness adventures. It needs to include outdoor survival tools, basic wound care dressings, mosquito bites, and other basic first aid accessories. A comprehensive first aid kit can protect us from accidents at critical moments. High quality. Quality first is our most important principle. The outdoor first aid kit is to protect our lives at a critical moment, and life can be guaranteed only by ensuring quality. The market of outdoor first aid products has great growth potential. I hope these suggestions can help you. If you would like to explore more trendy knowledge about outdoor first aid kits, remember to follow me.